If you are planning to start your own online store and wondering how to get started with Shopify, you are in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through how to create your Shopify store from scratch and how to add your first products, whether you are selling physical items, digital downloads or anything in between. This tutorial will make the entire process quick and easy. First of all, we need to open any browser on our computer and search on your browser Shopify. Then open the first website, which is shopify.com. Once you are on this website, click on start for free and then it will ask you to provide your details like your Google account details, email account, Apple account or Facebook account. So I'm just gonna provide my Google account here to create my account. Now select the Google account and then your account will be created, and then it will open this credit card or debit card form where we need to provide our details. Now don't worry, if you don't wanna share your details here, then you just need to click on skip from the bottom here. For the next step, it will ask you some questions. If you wanna skip them too, then for that click on skip customize setup. Once we click on it, then our Shopify store will be created, and as you can see, for the first 3 days I'll be on free trial. Once this free trial period ends, then I can click on select a plan and then I can pick any of the plans here. For the first month you will be charged $1 a month, and after that month ends, if you don't cancel your plan, then you will be charged $30 a month, or you can choose any of the plan here. But I'm not gonna purchase any plan for now, that's why I'm gonna close this one. And now to add our first product, we need to go to the product section here from the left panel, and under it we need to click on add product, and after that it will open a product form. So first of all we need to enter our title for product. So my product is backpack, so I'm just gonna type here the traveler. So once we type our name, then we need to enter the description. If you wanna generate your AI description, then for that click here and then enter a prompt for your description. So my product is backpack, so I'm just gonna simply type backpack here and then hit generate, and now it will start generating description for your product. Once the description generates, we need to click on keep and then our description will be added. Now under media we need to add images for our product, so I'm just gonna click on upload new and then select the images. These are the 2 images I have. Once you select them, then hit open, and now both of these images will be added. Now we need to choose the image which we want to place in front of our product. Like this is the primary image and this is the secondary one. If I want to change it to first, then I just need to drag it and make it first like this. Now choose your category for your product. So this is the category I have. Now set the price for your product. So my product price is $500. So I just need to type it here. And under compared price, we need to put a higher amount so that this will be a discounted price. So I want to make it $650 and this will be my final price. Now we need to scroll down here and check mark this option of track quantity. If you want to track your quantity for your inventory, like we need to enter the quantity here. So let's say 50 products are available in my inventory, and if someone purchase my product, then Shopify will automatically track your quantity so that you don't have to. Now we need to scroll down here and check mark these options according to your product, and here we can also add variants for our product. For that we need to click on add options like size or color. So I'm just gonna add a color variant here, and Shopify will automatically detect 2 variants which images I have uploaded on my product. Now we need to scroll down here and under variant images we can click on this plus image icon to add an image. So we need to click here and then choose the image. So this is the green backpack, I need to select it and then hit done. Now it's time for the black one. Click on plus icon image and then select your product image. So the inventory for the black item is not added, so I wanna add it too, just like this. And now we need to scroll down here and edit all of these things according to your need. Now we need to save our changes. For that click on save from the top, and then our product will be added on Shopify. And now if I go back to my product page, you can see the product has been added. And if you wanna add products again, then for that click on add product and go through the same process of adding products. Now we have added our product. Now if you wanna customize your store theme, then for that we need to go to the online store from the left panel. Under it we'll see all of the details related to our Shopify store theme. So this is the theme currently I am using, which is the Dawn one. This is the default theme, and now I wanna go to a custom theme. For that we need to scroll down a bit and then we'll see option of visit theme store. We need to click on it and then Shopify will show you all of the themes they have. So I just wanna go for a free theme, that's why I'm gonna check mark this free filter, and then they will show you all of the free themes they have. So this is the theme which I need, so I just need to select it. And if you wanna see a demo, then for that click on view demo store and then it will show you a demo here. You can click on any product. So to try it on our store, we need to click on try theme and then this theme will be added on our Shopify store. Now to apply this theme, we need to click on publish, and then we need to again click on publish, and this theme will be inserted for our Shopify store. You can see the theme here. Now if you want to customize this theme in detail, then for that click on customize here, and from this editor you can edit all the things related to your page. So let's say I want to change this text, then for that I need to select it, and on the right hand side I'll see this panel, and from here I can change the text. So let's say I want to place my channel name here, so I can just easily type it here. So you can basically edit all the things, like if you want to change the color of your theme, or if you want to change any images or any text, then you can do all of the things from this right panel while selecting your element. And in case you want to switch to different page, then for that click here, and then from here you can choose any of the page. So let's say I want to edit my product page. For that I need to select products from here, then select the product, and now it will take me to the product page here. So let's say I want to edit this thing, I need to select it, and on the right hand side I can edit all the things related to it. I want to change this type, so for that I just need to select it, then go to the right hand panel, and under it if I select this pills option, then the type of this variant will be changed to pills. And now similarly you can edit all the things from this right panel while selecting your element. Now I want to go back to my home page. For that I'll select it from here, and I want to change the placement of these things. For that I just need to drag my header or footer. So let's say I want to change the placement of my footer, then for that I just need to drag it down or up according to my need. So let's say I want to place it down, and that's how I can change the placement here. So you can explore all these things here. And if you want to see the mobile view of your website, then for that click here, which is mobile, and then it will show you the mobile view of your site. Or if you want to see it full screen, then you can select the full screen option. You can select desktop from here as well. So this is the process of editing your website from Shopify theme editor. I'm not going in details for the sake of this video, because this video is for adding products and creating store. Once you edit your Shopify store, then hit save to save changes. Now I want to go back from here like this. Now before we publish our store, we need to set up payment method. For that click on settings on your Shopify dashboard, then go to the payment section, and under it set up your PayPal or any of the payment method you want to have on your Shopify store, so that any of the sales we do on our store we get the payment. So we need to set up our PayPal here. To set it up, we need to click on activate PayPal and follow the process to set up your store. Or you can add different payment methods such as cards, which will be credit card or debit card. You can add payment methods by clicking on add payment method. So let's say I want to add a credit card method, then for that I can search here credit card and any of the card from here. And once you add your payment method, then go to shipping and delivery and set the shipping and delivery charges you want to have for your site. Once you've done all of these things, then go to the domain section, and under it if you want to add a new domain for your site, so let's say this is my site, which is different numbers and myshopify.com. So let's say you want to set it to custom domain like learnlite.com, then for that we need to click on buy new domain. So let's say I want to search for my channel domain name, so I need to firstly type my channel name here, and then it will show you all of the available domains. So I want to purchase this one, which will cost 16 USD per year. So to buy it, we need to click on buy, and then we need to pay for the domain, and the domain will be used for your site so that anyone can access your site easily. Once you've done all of these things, go to the themes from the Shopify dashboard, and here click on publish to publish your site so that anyone can buy products from your site. I can't public my site because I haven't picked a plan yet. So to public it, firstly we need to pick a plan, and then we'll be able to public our site from Shopify. So this is the complete process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.